Hi mga bishi! Are you looking for budget-friendly at super solid na laminating machine? Ayan, ito magbubukas tayo. Ayan, well, guess for only 600 plus. Ayan, meron ka ng laminating machine na perfect para sa small business, school projects, IDs, at iba pa. Compact at easy to use. Kahit beginner, kayang-kaya. Fast hitting and smooth lamination. Ayan, no bubbles, no drama. Ayan, at alam mo, meron siyang maraming freebies. Merong mga free, ayan. Okay, meron siyang cutter. Ayan, meron siyang free na trimmer at puncher. Okay. Ayan. Meron trimmer, side trimmer. Ayan. At meron pa rin kasamang laminating film. Ayan. At itong ating cutter. Ayan. Okay, for only 600 plus, ayan, ready to use na. Ayan, ipa-plug mo lang siya at pwedeng-pwede mo na siyang gamitin. Ayan, napaka-easy.